Serves 4. Prep time 15 minutes. This is a fresh Italian raw cannellini bean salad tossed with olive oil, lemon, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and parsley, ready in minutes. Ingredients: 2 14-ounce cans of cannellini beans, drained and rinsed. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 15 grams flat leaf parsley, chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Drain and rinse 2 14-ounce cans of cannellini beans under cold running water until the water runs clear. Place the drained beans into a large mixing bowl so they are ready for the dressing. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over the beans. Thinly slice 1/2 red onion and add the slices to the beans. Have 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and add them into the bowl with the beans. Chop 15 grams of flat leaf parsley and add it to the bowl. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the beans for brightness. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, then toss gently to combine. Taste and adjust seasoning. If needed, add up to 1 more tablespoon of olive oil or a little more lemon juice to balance salt and acidity. Let the salad rest at room temperature for 10 minutes so the flavors meld together. Give the salad a final gentle toss to recoat the beans and distribute the tomatoes and onion evenly. Transfer the salad into a serving bowl and arrange it neatly for presentation. Serve immediately and enjoy this simple Italian cannellini bean salad. This completes the preparation. Here is the finished Italian cannellini bean salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and press the bell to get more recipes.